In this video I'm going to show you how to repair a netherite armor in Minecraft. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm doing the process on this version right here, but you can make this process on any version that you have netherite armor. What you need to do is just have the netherite armor to repair. I will use a helmet just for example, but it's the same process on any armor. Then you need to have netherite ingot, XP, and one anvil. Okay, so put the anvil on the ground, click with the right button, put your helmet right here on the first option, and put one netherite ingot on the second option. Okay, it depends on how much your armor has of the durability. You also need XP, so you need to have XP to repair your netherite armor. Okay, so just put your helmet on the first, your ingot on the second, and then click right here that it will repair your netherite armor. Okay, I hope I help you out to repair netherite armor in Minecraft. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.